Afternoon everyone, hope we're all safe and well. Changing the O2 sensor on the Jaguar xj40. These are the two electrical connectors, waterproof. Disconnect those, plug the other one in, pretty straightforward. Everything was nicely cable tied up on the bulkhead. I reckon this has never been changed, so we'll just get underneath the vehicle now. It's all propped up, got it on actual stands, and I've got it on the jack. I had to use a bit of heat on the old O2 sensor. I've already given it a, if I can get it to zoom in, generous helping of copper slip, the classic car enthusiast's friend. Just going to thread it in now. Just put it there whilst I into position. It's a 22mm X fitting on the end, so you can either go out and buy the proper O2 sensor spanner, or you can do what I did, just use a bit of heat and a little bit of gentle persuasion, and I use the old-fashioned crowfoot. Okay, that's all for now. Let's all stay safe and well.